Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Nita Elbang Buena. I'm 40 years old. I'm single mom. I have one daughter. She's 3 years old. My first employer was in Taiwan. They have 4 members in the family. I'm taking care of grandmother. I'm doing household chores like cleaning the house, marketing, gardening, and laundry. My second employer was also in Taiwan. They have 3 members in the family. I'm taking care of grandmother. I'm doing household chores like cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, marketing, and gardening. To my future employer, you will never regret if you choose me because I'm a simple person. I'm a very trustworthy and hardworking. God bless and have a nice day ahead.